Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. So this is the first time I've received hair from the Orchid collection, and this is by Rene of Paris. So second wig ever that I've received from Rene of Paris. So this one is called Star, and the color is Ghost Blonde. So this is how the box came. Let's unpack her together. Okay, so she's got some nice tissue paper, and we know she's ghost blonde, so we know this is going to be pretty blonde, right? Or white. So she's very light, and we'll shake her out as usual. And as you know, I like to start in the inside. So inside we can see we have a lace front, and this looks like a middle part. So this will be intended to be parted in the middle. So I'm going to shift my wig cap to the middle so my lace lines up here. Tabs in the back to adjust it. And I'm going to adjust it just a little bit. This says it is a Star Ghost Blonde. So Rene of Paris is the manufacturer. Now, as usual, we start with the tag in the back, put our forehead in. Always first looks, you know, it's kind of crazy. So we want to comb it. Now, I'm a side part girl, so it's unusual for me to have my hair parted in the middle, but since this is lined up for a middle part, we're going to stick with that. Very light. And I'm using a wide tooth comb. I'm going to use a little bit of water to kind of redirect and kind of finger curl this. And what I've done is taken a bottle of Smooth, which is a detangler, and I've just filled it with water. So, and labeled it. And here we go. We're going to put some water on here and smooth her out. So first looks, I will say, I can see wefts as I try to part her in different places, but that's because I'm used to being able to part, you know, a full parting area. This is definitely just the middle, so I'm not quite sure how I'd style her, but probably a bit like this. And I'd love your input. You can tell I'm just not a middle part girl. It's a little bit white for me. But if you wanted this cut, this is kind of a fun cut. Let me mess up the front a little bit. A little bit versatile. Let me show you the back. So again, this is Ghost White. I suppose we could tilt her off to the side. If we wanted to part her, we'd just kind of move her. Ghost White. And the name is Star. Probably not my favorite, but for somebody looking for a ghost white color wig, and I've cheated off to the side so that I can have that side part. Kind of a cute cut, maybe too light in color for me. One more look at the back. There you have it. Rene of Paris.